cold and breezy evening at the Mirage, the cocktail lounge in Vegas. The atmosphere was alive with the typical symphony of laughter, chatter, and the occasional cheer from patrons enjoying their night out. Behind the bar, Leo, the city's celebrated mixologist, was in his element, spinning bottles and sharing tales with his audience of regulars and newcomers alike. Just as the clock struck midnight, a little old lady from Manhattan whom Leo had never seen before made her way through the crowd and perched herself at the corner of the bar. Her eyes twinkled with mischief, and around her neck she wore a silver locket that seemed to hold stories of his own. Intrigued by this elegant stranger, I approached her with my warmest welcome. "What can I get for you tonight?" I asked, ready to impress her with my signature concoctions. The lady replied with a nostalgic smile,
"A Mexican Manhattan, if you please. But only if you have the time to hear the tale of its birth."
I was intrigued, a Manhattan and all, but with this Mexican twist, loved to experiment, but this combination was new to me. Nodding eagerly, I began preparing the drink as the lady settled in to tell her story.
In the heart of Mexico City, there's a place called El Refugio. It was there that the Mexican Manhattan was born, crafted by a clever bartender named Rafael Marquez. He was challenged by a homesick New Yorker, much like myself, to create a drink that captured the essence of a Manhattan, but with a heart that beat in rhythm with Mexico. Substituting whiskey with tequila to honor Mexican distilling traditions, using Sweet Vermouth to keep the Manhattan spirit, and adding a dash of orange bitters for a touch of zest. The drink was a bridge between two cultures.
She continued, her eyes reflecting the golden hue of the cocktail I was now pouring into a chilled glass. It became a symbol of unity and creativity, a favorite for many who sought something familiar yet new. I garnished the drink with an orange peel, just as the lady had described, and slid it towards her. Taking a sip, she nodded approvingly, just like Raphael made it. As the night wore on, the story of the Mexican Manhattan spread throughout the bar, enchanting patrons with its rich heritage and the idea of two worlds meeting in a single glass. Inspired by the tale, I decided then and there to add the Mexican Manhattan to my regular menu, a lasting tribute to the creativity shared across borders. And the little old lady from Manhattan, she became a regular at the Mirage, always ready with a new story to tell, but none as beloved as the night the Mexican Manhattan came to Las Vegas. Mexican Manhattan recipe ingredients: 2 ounces tequila, 1 old Sweet Vermouth, 3 dashes of orange bitters, ice cubes, orange peel. For garnish, optional. Instructions: chill glass. Begin by placing your serving glass in the freezer to chill while you prepare the drink. Mix the ingredients in a mixing glass. Add the ice cubes. Pour 2 ounces of tequila over the ice. Add 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Add 3 dashes of orange bitters. Serve use a long spoon to stir the mixture gently. The goal is to cool the drink while diluting it slightly for about 30 seconds. Prepare the glass. Remove the chilled glass from the freezer. Serve. Strain the cocktail into the chilled glass over fresh ice to serve on the rocks. Optionally, twist an orange peel over the drink to express its oils, then drop it into the glass as garnish. Enjoy. Your Mexican Manhattan is ready to enjoy. Remember, the key to a great cocktail is the balance of flavors, so feel free to adjust the vermouth or bitters to suit your taste. I'm Dr. Harry, a former Las Vegas bartender. Thank you for joining us as we explore the vibrant flavors of the Mexican Manhattan, a cocktail that beautifully marries the bold spirit of Mexico with the classic charm of a Manhattan. Whether you're a cocktail enthusiast or simply looking to spice up your mixology skills, this drink is sure to add a touch of excitement to your repertoire. If you this recipe and our journey through the art of cocktail making, please don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Let us know how your Mexican Manhattan turned out, or share any tweaks you made to personalize it. Your feedback helps us create content that you love. Cheers to great drinks and great company.